One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and I just uploaded all kinds of stuff and pushing stuff around here and cleaning this lot. We've been doing all kinds of work and getting things done. As a matter of fact, bam, this is getting ready to go up on sale. It's a nice car, but then you got this. Rich redid the head gasket in it. Well, Rich is doing the head gasket on the van, and now, why don't you tell him what you're doing, Rich?
Well, I'm doing a redneck valve job, I call it. Basically, instead of just using this tool right here to suction cup each valve individually and do it, I just put my drill on it, put a little valve grinding compound onto the face of each one. Well, it's almost empty, but valve grinding compound onto the face of each one, run it back and forth slowly, you don't want to go fast, and pull out on it a little bit, and it grinds the face to the seat. You want to be a little careful that you don't damage the seal or the shaft of the valve itself. It's just real gentle, back and forth. Save you a little bit of time anyway.
And actually, he just got back from the auction finds. Look at this. Nice electric? It's electric, right?
Yep.
It's gotta be. Electric 2000 PSI power washer. Got this for like $42.50. And then I got a box with this stuff, this, and I think there's more stuff from it. I'll show this on the way back. It's some cool stuff. Look. Wow, wow. I mean, we're talking cool stuff, man. This is the auction finds. But the trailer's loaded down. And I didn't buy a whole lot of stuff this time, but we basically filled up the trailer. And oh, there's no roof for it. I need Lily out here to have somebody show the scale of this stuff. We got these speakers. Oh man, I forgot they're the English ones. Wharfendale. Pretty cool speakers. They're not cheap. Got these gymnasium lights, and we're figuring we're gonna put 4 of these in that building to where we can work in the dark different. Does he have stuff in here still? I don't know. Nope. That's all out of here, and you can see the yard's just looking. There's a lot of room. We got a new implement section and all kinds of stuff. So I'll show you these when they get off at some point. I'll clip it in, and yeah, that's that. We're gonna get these on the forklift, and I'm gonna wait to show you this because I want Lily to be next to it. Okay, so we're back, and who are you?
I'm your director.
What's your name?
Lily.
Lily, okay, come on. Okay, so we're back. And what were we gonna learn about? Come on!
The ocean?
The ocean, that's it. Okay, so hop up on that trailer. Don't pull on it or nothing because it's kind of fragile. It's fragile.
Can I touch it? Just a little touch?
No, it might bite.
What?
It could bite. It's from the ocean.
Okay.
But that's the rock, so Lily, put your hand in there on the rock so we can see its size. Yes, you can touch it. So that's the size of the rock. It's 3 feet long and about 1.5 to 2 foot wide. I'll bet you it's 2 foot wide at the widest point, but it's in its own crate.
Ooh, Nathan, look, I see it. Something here.
Yeah, it's a different kind of fossil, huh? But I picked this rock up at auction. It's for sale. If somebody wants it, I'll take 20 grand. Yeah, how about that? Okay, well, I'm gonna take one of these with me. That's kind of the walk around of the auction stuff. We'll show you what we got over here too. Hang on. So there's the gymnasium lights. Lily, stand in the middle of them 4 lights to where they can see how big they are. Huge lights, 450 watts each. And then let's look at some of this stuff. I got a milk house heater. It's a Titan. These are good heaters. Knock that thing over and catch your whole house on fire. This one here, you can look it up on eBay. Very expensive. This is it's probably a 60 to 80. Actually, it's probably $60 to $100. These are 25 to 60 bucks a piece, depending on about the shape. This one's in really good shape, both sides and all. This one not so much, but still worth something. And there was a guy that wanted one of these. That Atoll is in great shape. Looks awesome. And that one is in great shape too. Another Ford. Then you got the 5-gallon ones. These two have the special nozzle. It's Conco. You got a Phillips 66. And you got a Texaco. And check this out. This stuff, I just couldn't pass it up. It was in a massive lot. There's a brass fuel filler. MED, I think it says. I don't know. And there it does, McDonald.
Yeah, it says MED.
It says MED on the top?
Yeah.
You think it says MCD? Yep.
Wait, yeah,
does.
it says.
Then we got a regular, this has got to be alloy or aluminum or something. Man, the pump, that's nice. Huh. See if you can find a name on that one. Grab it. Then, what is this like for, I don't know what it's for, man. But it's cool. What's this? Same thing? What is it? Let's see. Napco. K831. I don't know what that's worth, but what is this? A pencil sharpener?
Yeah, I think it is.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it is. Look at that.
There's a winder missing. Looks like it was glued to something. I don't know.
It was glued to the wall.
That's probably true, huh? Old distributor. And then just some miscellaneous, like whole pepper and pepper grinder. I mean, who? I don't know, but check this out. Somebody may want this. It's old. It's very old. Take that out of there for me. This actually has mercurochrome in it. It's got mercury. Look at that thing, man. That's nice. That's how you grind pepper. Is there any more in there? Look at this. Mercurochrome.
That's cute. It looks cute.
It is pretty deadly stuff.
Yeah.
I'm kind of wigging out touching it. Unless my mom used to use it on me. I guess it don't bound or does it? Kind of cool. Meat grinder or a grinder of some sort. I don't know. And that's got to go back where we got it. There's another piece in there. Oh, that's regular pepper. Put that in there now. No, you got to put the wood back in the box, child.
Okay. You mean
Now that really makes me wonder if this goes on this. What the hell do you think this is?
I couldn't figure. That's what I was looking at when you came out. I couldn't figure that out.
And I think this might be attached to it.
No, that little thing right there goes behind the fan blade on a
Oh,
water
yep.
pump. Yeah. But
It was on something. It was mounted.
It's designed to.
There you go, Williams after shaving talc.
Look, it's.
Do you know they just banned all the talcum powder? They don't use it no more.
Yeah.
They use that all. I never had a problem.
Dude,
Maybe that's my problem.
It's designed to only let one of whatever it is out at a time. See that?
Yeah.
One at a time to dispense it.
Yeah. Empty furniture
Did
crane.
you see this?
Yeah, I did. Close this up. Why is this not done right? What are you doing, child? What are you doing? You're not a very good director.
Sorry.
A good director would have put that back together right, huh? Yeah, mercurochrome. I don't know what this is worth. Ain't worth much, nothing. But bookends, big old pistons, man. Pretty thin brass. Ouch. Okay, so all that junk, all that stuff. Just an update video. There's our Aragonite and bookend things. Counters are going to come in here. We're going to take some pictures. I have no idea how I forgot to show this, but there's an oil bath oil filter. I don't know what this is for quite or how to find out, but probably for an old Ford or Chevy. And then this one, I don't know if it's an oil bath. I think it might be. Yeah, it is. Just two. What does that say? Oh man, I wish I could read that. That's cool. Or something. Just to give you one instance, I got this and this stuff for $7. I know I'll get more than $7 out of something there. And that's the deal. That's the rock. Rock. And now we're gonna roll.
That's the Dwayne Johnson.
Thanks for watching. Look at the airport and the beacons. and more airport lights. Man, I got some weird junk. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Subscribe, like, comment, because there's going to be all kinds of videos coming up. And look at that take. Wuhan!